Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karishma and in today's topic I am going to share my personal 5 habits which I have recently developed just to learn the English language and to improve my communication skills. Yes, you can also improve these habits in a day-to-day life and improve your communication skills very easily. So I'm assuring you, just watching this video for 2 or 3 minutes you will get very confidence to uh, it will surely build your confidence. I am giving you a surety of that, so just watch this video complete end. So first and most useful habit which I have adopted is to just watch a YouTube vlogs. I have 2 or 3 bloggers. They do vlogging in English language, so I watch them regularly so that my household vocabulary can improve and I can learn with them to speak fluently in day-to-day life, because usually they talk about their personal life or day-to-day routine, so it helped me to improve my communication skills. Number second is I start watching movies on Netflix. I used to watch movies in Netflix with the English subtitles. They can help me a lot in improving my communication skills. And the third one is I start speaking in front of the mirror. Yes, I have heard this thing from the many YouTubers who are well versed in English. They told me, not personally me, but they says that if you start speaking in front of mirror, you can surely improve your language skill, because it removes our hesitation in front of speaking anyone. Because if you're standing in front of mirror, nobody was there, if you were speaking, you can speak anything comes in your mind. So that's a very good way to improve or improve your fluency basically. Because earlier, if you will if you saw my previous video before 7 or 8 months back, I could not speak like this much fluent. I know I am not correct at every sentence. I might have been doing mistakes grammatically, because I am not very good in English. I am just learning it. But I want to speak. I want to speak, whether it is in front of camera or whether it is in front of mirror, so that it can remove my hesitation and improve my communication skill. The third thing you can do is you can also start speaking in front of the mirror. The fourth thing I have developed is I start making reels, and sometime I make reel for 1 minute, whole 1 minute, and that in the English language. And for example, I'm making this video in English. However, I'm not very good. I'm not very much fluent. I'm not very much right, but still I am trying just to improve my communication. It is all depends on the person to person. Because see, if you think that you have to do it, you have to learn it, you will surely learn. Nobody can stop you at that point. Nobody, trust me. I'm saying it you with the full confidence. Earlier, I was very casual about the language, that okay, I will learn, that's not an issue. But before few days back, I thought that it's very important for my profession also, because as you know that I'm an advocate. Maybe in the coming future coming days, I have to go to court, I have to do some job. So that time it is very important for me to learn English or speak English, because nowadays everywhere English demands. Nobody speak in Hindi nowadays, so it's very compulsory for everyone. Even if you're a housewife, you have a kids, you have to give them education. So that is why you have to learn this language, so that your kids can improve. If you will make an environment like English, then only they can learn. For example, I have a 3-year-old son and I speak with him in English, and he understood everything in English now. So it's all about, because I am trying hard to learn this language, that's why he is getting from me. But the thing, I take care in front of speaking with him that I should speak correct words, because right now I'm speaking, I might be doing so many mistakes, but that doesn't matter for me, because I just wanted to improve, and for that I have to speak. I have to speak. No one can learn English without speaking. That is the mandatory thing, and that is why I'm using one application also, that is called Ace Fluency. I have already introduced in my earlier videos. You can use that application, that is for free, and you can talk with the other co-learners of your same stage, same level in English for 25 minutes daily, and that's absolutely free. There is no charges. So you can download that application also. That can help you a lot, and trust me, it helps me a lot, and that is why I'm standing here and speaking confidently in front of you. And the fourth thing I am doing is I start reading a kid's storybook. Yes, it might be funny, it sounds funny, but I am doing it because whenever I sit with my kid, he's 3 years old, We gave him some book, story books basically, with the picture. They used so many proper grammatical words that helps me to learn that. So it is very important to read also. Sometimes you can do one more thing, that you can play any kids story on YouTube, and you can listen it for around 10 minutes or 15 minutes daily. That will surely improve your communication skills. Only if you want to improve communication skills yours, only when you want to do it. If you will not want to do it, you are very casual about it, nobody can improve that change in you. That change you have to do in yourself. You have to be passionate about that. It is very important, and trust me, if you will be passionate, you will surely do that. Thanks for watching my video. If you find it useful, then please click the like button, and also share my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.